Yasin at Samastipur railway station. As you can see behind me, many passengers coming or going by. Actually, it is 12th of February 2023. It's examination, and thousands of students have come to Samastipur to appear at the exam. And I am also one of the candidates who have. बढ़ते हुए भी चलेंगे हम लोग. Hi, तो yes. What's your name?
My name is Praveen.
Praveen. Yeah, this is Mr. Praveen ji before me. He is shooting the video, and with me there is Mr. Vinit. He is Mr. Vinit, and he has come from Katihar Junction, right? And I and Mr. Vinit, both of the people are from Katihar, right? And both of us are waiting for the train. Actually, the train is to come, and it is just to come within 5 to 10 minutes. And hi, Mr. Vinit, how are you?
Hi.
You are from Katihar. Why did you come to Samastipur?
For BPSC examination.
For BPSC examination. So can you tell me how was the exam like? How was the examination? How was the paper? It was really fine. Yeah.
Everything fine.
Okay. And number of questions were out of total number of questions were 150. So out of 150, how many questions you attempted?
120.
120 questions.
It's a good attempt, na?
Yeah.
It's a good attempt.
It's a good attempt, yes. And it is actually just to realize that out of 120, how many questions are correct, correctly solved. Yes, if he has, solved 100 questions correctly, then I am very much confident that yes, he will get positive result. Yeah.
And it was his first attempt, na?
It was his first attempt, yes. So how was your feeling in the examination hall? Did you feel that the question paper is easy, or what do you say?
Confident.
Yeah.
In second attempt, I qualify BPSC exam.
He's confident that he will qualify it.
Yeah. Actually, he is very much confident. He says that it was his first attempt.
Let's hope for the best, na?
Yeah. And it was his first attempt, and only in first attempt he has attempted 120 questions. So you can imagine that, you can predict that yes, he is a very good student, and if he continues preparation, in the time to come he will really qualify BPSC exams, and hence he can become SDM or video CEO, whatever he wants to be in his life. Yes.
Yes, my aim, one aim.
You have only one aim, and that is to crack BPSC examination.
PCS.
examination. Oh, that's very fine. And behind me, camera person is Mr.
Praveen Chaudhary.
Yeah, Mr. Praveen Chaudhary. He is a bank employee. He is working in which bank are you working?
Punjab National Bank.
Punjab National Bank, yes. And he is a very nice person, very handsome person. He also came to appear at the exams, and he has appeared exam well, very much confidently. He is also very much confident that yes, he will get positive result in BPSC exam. It was actually, let me tell you, it was actually 68th Bpsc examination, and for these exams, thousands of students from different parts of the state came to appear at exams in different examination centers. And yes, as you can see that we are going down the stair and shooting a video. And Mr. Praveen, as I told you, that bank employee is helping us to get video, shooted. And we have
We have left our bag there.
What's your thinking? Why English is not?
Actually, Mr. Vinit is asking me that. Yeah, Mr. Vinit is asking me that in BPSC exams there is no English question paper, and there is no weightage of English paper. So what's your stand? What do you say? I want to tell that actually it's Bihar, and since time immemorial, Bihar has been very weak, educationally and economically. And English, is a compulsory paper, in many of the exams. But in BPSC, there is no English exams there. And if you ask me, what do you think? What's your stand if there is no English paper in BPSC exams, Mr. Vinit? I would like to tell you that there must be, but lakhs of students will go against it, right? Because in board exam, there is no compulsory subject. English is not considered to be a compulsory subject, right? So all the students are very weak, and they don't pay proper attention to this subject, and that is why English remains to be very, very poor. So in this situation, if you do not provide students basic education as an English paper, that how can you force English subject in BPSC exams. So if you want to make English compulsory paper in BPSC, then you have to make English compulsory in board exams also, so that the students basically must be stronger to take any type of challenges in the life to come. As you see in UPSC exams, it's compulsory. If a student doesn't know English, if his English is very poor, they cannot qualify UPSC exams. But in BPSC, there is no requirement of English. If you don't know English, that will do. You can crack these exams. You can become STO or STM, whatever you want to be. So it was a brief conversation between me and Mr. Vinit from Officers Colony, Kadiyar, and with the camera person Mr. Praveen, Mr. Yasin. I want to tell you goodbye and meet you next time with the next video. Till then, you take care of yourselves and have a nice evening. Thank you very much. Journey has come to an end and I have come to Kathia railway station now. As you can see, the passengers coming down the train and going to my residence, right? And now I am going to my residence, and it was a long journey really and tiresome journey really. See the passengers on Kathia railway station. Okay, so bye and meet you in the next video vlog. Take care.